part of active operations of the Yug Group of Forces, airstrikes and artillery fire. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, more than 120 Ukrainian troops, 7 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, D-20 and D-30 howitzers, as well as 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery unit have been neutralized as part of active operations of the Yug Group of Forces, airstrikes and artillery fire. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical and army aviation and artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces carried out a complex shelling of the Ukrainian armed forces units in the areas of Ugledar of Donetsk People's Republic, Gulyaipole, Preobrazhenka and Shcherbaki in Zaporozhye region. More than 50 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 tank, 3 pickup trucks and 1 D-30 howitzer have been destroyed during the day. In total, 400 airplanes, 218 helicopters, 3,373 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,249 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,315 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,830 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!